First reaction of the Mumbai cops on the detention. The cops say the suspect has been detained over breaking into the house, is what we know. This is the first reaction of Mumbai police as far as this particular detention is concerned. The man on your screens right now, this man, the cops say that he has been detained for breaking into the house. We'll be going across to our reporters, so more on that to get a better sense of what now is being said. The person who was brought to the police station is accused of house breaking, is what we know. Vidya is with us. Vidya, basically the cops are saying that this was the man who broke into Saib's house?
No, that's not exactly what the Mumbai police have said. In fact, they have what specifically said that these are people. You know, remember there are a lot of incidences of housebreaking that really comes, happens in general. So what they have been doing is, they have taken in known suspects, those who have actually been doing housebreaking incidences earlier with, antecedents. They are being rounded up. They are being questioned if they know this particular, person who's also probably into housebreaking. So, a professional housebreakers are what they are really looking for. This person who's been brought in is also said to be a history sheeter with a case of housebreaking earlier. Now, this person is being brought into question. So, similarly, this is not the first person. In fact, since yesterday, in the last 24 hours, we have seen many number of people being brought in who have had a history of housebreaking. They are all being questioned. Photographs of this particular accused who was found on the staircase of Saif Ali Khan's residence is being shown to them to ask as to whether they know about this person or have heard about him. So there are various interrogations that are really happening apart from technical evidences, technical support that they are taking in from various teams. This is one other aspect of, invoking the khabaris of the well-known khabaris of Mumbai police, that the entire network that they have, and picking up people and, interrogating them. This might also lead to a clue, is something that what Mumbai police believes.
All right. So this is a person who's been detained, is somebody who is in fact accused of breaking into houses in the past as well, not necessarily Saib's house. We'd like to clarify that for our viewers, because there's information trickling in at this point in time. Various other people who have been accused or rather charged with breaking into homes in this area in the past are being brought in for questioning by the Mumbai police. So the suspect who's been detained at this point in time is not necessarily the person who broke into Saif's house, is what Vidya is telling us. And then we have this news coming in from the Mumbai police on this detention.